They say that the Biafra resistant fighters, they don't come outside though, come blast the Nigerian armies over their lack of conduct for their work. Oh, no be smart, you know. They said that the way these people take they waka around for inside Biafra land, go they carry innocent people when they do anything. He said that one no be work they do. As e be like this now, they don't set so many trap, different corners. Anyone wait for enter, say they go chop am like a goat. I say this one don't read though. But however, I go leave the Mona still watch and see wetin they go on. My people, welcome back to Balabas Gist. If today na the first time where they come across this wonderful channel, you are highly welcome. We still dey here, they bring you updates back to back as they hot. My wonderful people, please, whenever you come across our video, share the video immediately so that you no go forget, and don't forget to also follow this page for more updates and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Remember, say we dey TikTok, we don't come back full for TikTok again because person I don't know what to do, but however, we are back in TikTok. So make sure say you follow our new account, the same name, Balabas Gist, and our logo on our profile. So, my people, let's quickly jump into the matter where we get for our hand today. They said the Biafra Liberation Army and resistance fighter don't come outside or can expose how Nigeria army they run their show for inside Biafra land, and they say they no be army, say they be just people who come together to intimidate people. And I say no, this one go hot though. However, I will leave you, may you watch the video before we come back. Continue.
You have been asking me question, what happened? Are they not fighting war again? I told you that these people does not have experience. They are inexperienced people. What they know how to do best, what terrorists know how to do best, is to break into people's houses, go into markets, go into churches, and bomb down the places. This is what they know how to do best. Look at, just as Hamas did to the children of Israel or to Israelis. These people are so coward that their power lies on harmed people. Where you will see Nigeria military, Nigeria forces get power now, where people no get harm, where people no get anything to take defend themselves. Now where you go see them get power. Other nations join military to protect their lives and property. Other nations, you will see their military is meant to serve humanity. Their military, when you see somebody in other, civilized country that join military, just like Biafran soldier, their aim and objective is to serve humanity, protect life, land, and property. That is civilized military. But in the zoo, when you see somebody joining military in the zoo, is to intimidate people. The purpose of Nigerian joining military in the zoo is to take revenge. People who insulted their mama, people who insulted their papa, people who insulted their friend, people who insulted them. It's time to pay back, to deal with the person. And that is why they say, you go hear them say, bloody civilian, bloody civilian. Have you ever heard bloody civilian in any civilized country? Have you ever heard army in uniform in any civilized country calling their civilian, their fellow citizen, bloody civilian? It can only happen in Nigeria. brawly civilian. And they will see you as animal. They will treat you like... In fact, you being alive is a threat to them. Talk less when you carry stick. If ordinary camouflage that other country does not see it as anything, will give you 100 fraud jump and beating. Talk less when you carry stick. Joining a military or any parastatus, any force in a zoo is to take, intimidate, and terrorize people, innocent people. Is to take, terrorize innocent people. If army day, armed robber rob somewhere and you escape, come call army. Say, Oga, about 2 pole, armed robber, they are robbing people. Army go tell you, say, and so what? What do you want us to do? Army no go fit go for rescue. If armed robber come your house and you manage to hide, carry phone, call police. Police go tell you, as we dey so, check them. What kind of weapon did they have? How many are there? How did they position? Police will be asking you cross question. Can you transfer money, give us to buy fuel? We no get fuel for motor. How can we make it? Just transfer 200,000. Let us take fuel. You know we are coming plenty. Just hold on. Police no fit go. But let it be on the roads. You just go on your own. Police go stop you. Hey, carry Igbo, put for your purse. Check, say, Igbo, then go begin to beat you. Army, they bring out motor. Commercial motor that they go on its own, doing its normal business. May you know, give them money. Is it the kind of people that will come and fight Biafra military? Well trained, well experienced. As I said before, that what gave them morale was the eyes they have inside and outside. And since we plotted out those their eyes, they become blind and they cannot even move forward again. That is how we roll. But they are dying every day. Whether they come or they no come, they are still dying. They know. I told them, if your machinery you employ will abandon you and run away, say this one pass them, who are you? But this morning is not what carried me come online. I just want to come and chat with you to tell you what is about to happen. As I told them before, do you see this struggle? This very Biafra, this very generation you see, nah, die hard Biafra. They know they agree for anybody. And as I always tell you, let me repeat myself to you again. This is the land of our ancestors. We go nowhere. Oh my goodness me. While you are busy thinking that you can move us an inch, you are wasting your fucking time. We go nowhere. I am here to tell you once again that anywhere you are, open your eye, mark your saboteur. Mark saboteur among you. Mark saboteur. Mark saboteur. Mark saboteur among you, because we will soon comment on Operation Wipeout Saboteur. As we tell them before, there is no forgiveness. We will never... You see, in history of life, your worst enemy is a saboteur. We can forgive our enemy. Oh. We can forgive our enemy, as in, we can let go of our enemy if we no want kill him. We can just say, Nwanu, go and talk wetin you see. We have done that severally. We have done that severally. There is a policeman we catch. He's a Yoruba man, Yoruba policeman. We catch him. He's a Yoruba man. And we ask him, if we come to Yoruba land and kill you, as you come to Biafra land to kill us, will you like it? He said no. Why are you doing what you would not like others to do to you? He plead. And we tell him, we will not do anything. But let it be on a record that we let you go and testify the goodness of the Lord, that Biafrans are good people. Maybe today is not your day. Maybe the gods of life does not want you to leave this earth today. Maybe there is something he needs you to go and tell your people. So, go and never come back. Because the day you will come back will be your end. We do let them go. And he go. But let me tell you this. We can forgive our enemy. But do you see saboteur? We can never forgive our saboteur. Never in this life forgive our saboteur. They are the most dangerous enemy. The most dangerous. The most wicked one. Do you see saboteur? Let me tell you the way saboteur operates and why you should fear them. Why you should not allow them to be alive if you manage to cut one. Saboteur are the people that have two faces. They have two faces. Ojukwu lose the war because of saboteur. Saboteur. I want you to understand why we can never forgive our saboteur. I really want to bring this history to your notice. Nothing, no abeg where our saboteur go beg us, where go make us have mercy. There is no abeg where saboteur go beg us rich that will make us have mercy. Now, saboteur has two faces. He will come to you, pretend to be your friend, your caring one, your loved one, your concerned one. You will sit down with your with the person, plan everything, finish. Before you know, the person don't carry the secret, your secret, exposed to the enemy. Do you know that so many times we lost soul is as a result of somebody sabotaged our effort? Sometimes we will plan finish, mission. We will arrange the mission finish. Move the mission. Only to find out that before we even get there, the information have already reached there and the enemy have already laid ambush for us. In such cases, unexpectedly jam, we do lose soul. But in many cases, God always turn it for our favor. So therefore, Saboteur is the most dangerous things that can ever happen to any military formation. Saboteur. We don't need to play or joke with them. And that is why when I say that our number one enemy is our saboteur, you won't understand. You see, this number one enemy, no forgiveness, no pardon, no second chance. Our saboteur is our number one enemy. We can never forgive them. The reason, they knew our secret. These are the people that knew our secret. And they decided to pinch us for where they know can pain us well. Saboteur. Saboteur. Saboteur will never survive in the land of the rising sun. And that is why I am here this morning to tell you to mark out the person you know is a saboteur in your village. Write down his name. Send it to us. Very soon we are going to operate on Operation Wipe Out the Saboteur in Biafra territory. It won't be long. Because they are the most dangerous perceived. They are the most dangerous enemy you can ever think of.
Yeah, my people, welcome back. I saw a bio, and I will say more bring am come show na. Mona still know wetin dey go on for the countryside. Very important. Abeg check our next update because we dey here back to back. They give you wetin dey happen. Wetin be your own thing? What do you think about this video? May you still drop your own opinion for inside comment section. We will quickly reply you and make sure say you share the video. Let's talk about this video in a comment section. So thank you so much for watching and share the video. Very important.